everyone, this is Sheetal Sapin Matre, and today we are going to do an interesting pick a card reading. So guys, first tell me, how was your December, 31st December, how the new year has been till now? I am looking forward to hear from you. So do write in the comment section. Today's pick a card reading is something which I am extremely excited about. I did read the comments in which some of you had requested for this reading. So today's reading is on pregnancy. We are going to see a lot of, we are going to see what the number of children that you're going to have via this. We're going to see dates which are relevant in the month for you guys. Then we are going to see the charms, the alphabets. We'll also see how the conception will happen with this tarot deck. We will see the personality of your child with this tarot deck. We will see how your pregnancy will be. And apart from these tarot decks, we will be using also what you need to surrender in order to, conceive sooner. We'll also see some message regarding, your health, which you can do to conceive faster. Apart from this, there are other cards as well that I will be using today. Please remember, this particular reading is not meant to replace any kind of medical advice, consultation, or doctor's treatment. All right. So for today's reading, we will also be seeing the sun sign, moon sign of your child. So isn't that interesting, guys? I'm so looking forward to it. So for today's option to choose from, I have taken my daughter's toy. So the first option is this orange ring. All right, this is your option number 1. Okay, orange ring. Option number 2 is the yellow ring. I'll keep your option number 2 over here. Option number 3 is the green ring. All right, I will show this option to you again. Let me lower the camera for you. Option 1 is the orange ring. Option 2 is the yellow ring. And option 3 is the green ring. In case if you're confused which option to choose from these 3, it's pretty simple. On a piece of paper, write 1, 2, 3 separately. Then what you can do is you can just ask, dear God, Goddess, Archangels, I would like to know about my future pregnancy, and then just pick up a chit. Whichever chit comes, whatever number comes, that's the pile for you. All right, pretty simple, isn't it? So this is pile number 1, pile number 2, and pile number 3. All right, so are you guys ready? Let's get started. Hi group 1, so all those of you who have chosen this orange ring, I will keep your ring over here. All right, and we will see regarding your future children. All right, so let's first see Mother Mary's message. We will see what you need to surrender. To conceive your future child. We'll see message from this deck. Let's see message from the Goddess deck. Oops, sorry, I shook the camera. All right, we will see a message from the Goddess deck. Let's see message from the Archangel Gabriel deck. let's see. First, let's see how your child is going to get conceived. Future child. I'll keep your card over here. Let's see the personality of your future child or children. Now let's see how your pregnancy is going to be. I will remove 2 cards over here. Sorry, 1 more card. I'm guided to take 1 more card for you guys. Okay. I do have a video in which I have explained in detail about the various rituals one can do right from conception to delivery. In case if you're interested, I will mention it in the link below. You can just click on that link and that video you can just go through. I just want to check whether I have removed the health card. See, that was missing. Okay, let me keep the cards over here. Let me remove a health card for you guys. What you need to work on in terms of your health so that you can conceive faster. All right, let me pick up all your cards. Let me just arrange them. Okay, so then it becomes easier for me to pick these cards up. So first, let's see how are you going to conceive your future children or child. Okay, 10 of Wands. So it looks like, yes, there will be a lot of efforts that you are going to take to conceive your child. You make it a little bit stressed about the whole thing. So this card is telling you to stop being so stressed as well and take it easy. So definitely your future child will be conceived after efforts. Okay, but yes, the child is going to be conceived. Okay, now let's see how your pregnancy is going to be. Let's pick up the first card, the Empress. Wow, this is an amazing card to get, especially in terms of pregnancy. Your pregnancy is going to be so beautiful. You will be pampered like a queen. You will be able to also take care of various aspects of your life, whether it's a career. I also feel that, you know, your pregnancy will be like, you know, it will be like a dream come true. You'll be so happy, and you know, I feel that your baby shower is going to be so amazing. You will feel so relaxed, comfortable. People will look after you. They will shower so much love on you in your pregnancy. Wow, guys. So this looks so good. Let's see your next card. The next card is the 5 of Wands. So yes, you know, there would be some sort of emotional up and down that you may go through. There will be at times some sort of opposition, or people may try to irritate you. But no matter what is going around you, you will ensure that you overcome all of it. Okay, so yes, there will be emotional up and down happening, which is normal during a pregnancy, nothing to worry about. But the good part is you will be walking away from all the kind of drama and toxic you know, environment. You will ensure that you keep your calm. Okay, that's what this card is telling. Let's see your next card. Okay, wow, 3 of Wands. So your pregnancy, you will ensure that you plan everything in a proper way. You will be so organized. You will ensure that you will take care of everything so beautifully. You'll be like, you know what, I'll take care of it. And see, interestingly, just read this line: pride in the success of your labor. So definitely you'll be so proud of yourself. You'll carry your pregnancy really, really amazingly well. You will not be you will be like you'll take care of your diet. You'll take care of your entire mind, body and soul during a pregnancy. So definitely I also feel from this card that there will be a lot of support available. Okay, a lot of support available. And see, you got the certain way opportunity. Your pregnancy, you will make it as an opportunity to inspire other women. Other women will be like, oh my god, how is she doing? How is she able to manage everything so amazingly? She's relaxing as well, she's taking time out as well, she's focusing on herself as well, and she's enjoying every moment of her pregnancy, of her other activities. How is she doing it? So everything you are going to plan like a pro. That's what this card is telling. I also feel that you will dress so well during your pregnancy. The Empress and the 3 of Wands, okay, is kind of telling me that you will dress up so well. You will be like, you know what, let me be my best. Okay, I see a lot of confidence. You're going to be confidently carrying your pregnancy. All right, even though yes, the conception may look a little bit of there would be some stress involved, but it would be like a dream come true. Once you are post that, it will be dream come true. Yes, there would be some people there will be some sort of you may feel very nauseous, or you may feel not that great, maybe in your 2nd trimester or something, but overall you will do really well. Okay, now let's see. Let's see the personality of your child. Okay. Wow, the Page of Wands. So definitely this child is going to be so adventurous, so full of life. Your child is going to be so creative. Your child will be here and there running all around and will be keeping you busy for sure. But your child will be extremely intelligent, somebody who will ensure that they will complete whatever they take up in terms of their work. But yes, extremely creative, extremely adventurous, full of life, full of energy. All right, let me keep your card over here. Let's see your next card. Sun. Amazing. So yes, this particular card is telling that your child will be so happy. You may have twins as well, so it can happen that you have a boy and a girl. Looks like that from the card. This card is telling me that your child or your children are going to be full of life. They are going to be born in an extremely fortunate time. Their birth chart, their numerological date, everything will be extremely lucky. That's what I'm getting. Don't be surprised if you conceive twins. I am also getting that this child or your children are going to bring in lot of happiness and light, not only in your life but in everybody's life. They're going to play an extremely important life purpose on earth is what I'm getting. Lovely. Wow, guys, that's some cards to get. Now let's see what Archangel Gabriel card is telling us. Journaling. So, you know, you should see the Frustration Magic video that I had done, in which I have covered a journaling aspect as well. So what this card is telling you is that write down whatever you are feeling about, you know, your future child, children, pregnancy, whatever apprehensions you're having, whatever expectations you're having. Write that all down and get it out of your system. Don't just keep on thinking and over analyzing it. I also feel that it would be a great idea if you could write down, you know, you can also write down how you would want your pregnancy to be, the kind of characteristics you would want your future child to have or future children to have, the kind of bond you would like to share. So this particular card is asking you to write down your dreams, write down what you're feeling, so that, you know, when you will be writing down what you're feeling currently, that will help to take away the stress which also you're kind of feeling right now. And the other hand, when you will be writing down whatever it is that you desire, you will be activating the law of attraction as well. I also feel that, you know what I'm getting, that some of you have got some reports, medical reports, which are not looking that bright, or somebody has told you something which is not very encouraging, or maybe you're worried about a particular aspect like your age or something, and that's kind of bothering you. So here Archangel Gabriel is trying to tell you, do not bother. There will be a child that will come in your life, child or children, and it will be a beautiful dream come true. All right, let's see what goddess is with you. Wow, you got Kali Ma. Kali Ma is a goddess of endings and new beginnings. So definitely this card is telling that there will be a beautiful new beginning in your life. Also, this card is asking you to, you know, detoxify yourself or stay hydrated is what I am getting. And see what blessings Goddess Kali Ma will be giving you. Purification of the subtle force centers, ascension of the divine Kundalini energy, happiness and fulfillment in this world, divine ecstasy of transcendent reality. So this particular card is saying, basically saying that your body is getting ready to bring in an extremely awakened soul, a soul or souls who have a very high life purpose. All right, and that is why the entire thing may be taking some time. So over here, see how beautifully this is written. May Kali, who takes away all sins, bring you joy. She was the only one able to destroy the terrible demons, Chanda and Munda. Kali gives courage and strength to a warrior on a battlefield littered with headless corpses. She robs the strength of those not devoted to her, though she gives good fortune to those who have. So even though, you know, it kind of portrays Goddess Kali as somebody who is not that great to people who don't worship her, but that's something I disagree with. Goddess Kali is the ever kind goddess. It is just that she ensures that things transform faster, that she brings in the energy of awakening, transformation. And yes, pregnancy is transformation. So Goddess Kali is with you in your journey and she's protecting you. I feel, guys, you know, that you are one of those couples or one of those people who have a lot of jealousy around you. You are quite successful and people are not happy about it. That's the energy I'm getting. You should check out my playlist of protection. So let's see what other card that you have got. Okay, you got, I will not pronounce this name. You got home. All right. So I feel that this card could have multiple meanings. It could mean that the conception will happen in your home itself. So it may so happen that there may not be an element of treatment, okay, or like in fertility treatment. That would this card mean, but that does not mean, you know, that please, these are not meant to replace any doctor's advice, doctor's medicine. So this is a probability which this card is saying. It can also mean a birth in home, because some women prefer to give birth to their child in their home through midwife and all. So it could mean that as well. I feel that there could also be an aspect of home involved, okay, wherein the child and a new home will come together. So it may happen that as well. I also feel that you need to declutter your house. This is what I'm also getting with this card. I'm mostly getting decluttering. Interestingly, she has her entire crown looks like as if she's wearing the sun around her crown. So I feel that you will be one of those happiest mother, you know. The moment you'll come to know that you're pregnant, you'll be so happy. All right. And yes, I feel that you, in your dreams or in your vision, you have seen your future child, or you got a dream in which you were pregnant, is what I'm getting somehow. I'm hearing rather. All right. Okay, let's see your next card. A new dawn. See, you know, this is what the energy of Goddess Kali is, okay, which says the worst is now behind you and positive new experiences are on the horizon. So definitely feel, guys, that you have been trying for quite some time, and or you know, when you will try to conceive, it may so happen that you would be stressed about it, but this card is assuring you that the worst is behind you and there will be a new dawn full of possibilities and full of happiness. Now let's see what you need to surrender in order to conceive faster. Surrender to your full power. See, you know, that's what this card is trying to tell you. Somehow, you know, outside factors has kind of, you know, made you believe that, oh, it may be difficult, it may not be possible, it may not be easy. You need to understand that you have the complete power, okay, complete power to ensure that you get pregnant with a child, your pregnancy is smoother, your delivery is smoother, your child is healthy. It is possible, okay? So understand that you have that power in you. All right, and understand one thing, this is the next step. All right. Okay, I also feel that you guys are connected to Goddess Durga, or you pray to Goddess Durga or the Shakti element. Now let's see a message from Mother Mary for you. Compassion. All right, so there is somebody whom you need to forgive. Okay, because when we are not forgiving someone, we are carrying that heavy energy within us, and the kind of soul who is soul or souls who are planning to come to you are very ascended souls. So definitely, if you're going to have the energy of resentment, vengeance or negativity in your heart towards someone, then you know your energy is going to be lower, and it's going to be difficult for you to be in alignment with these souls energies who are planning to come into your life. All right, so please forgive whoever whom you're not forgiven. Now let's see in terms of health what you need to do in order to ensure that it happens faster. So first is caffeine free. So you need to reduce your tea, coffee, chocolate, artificial beverages intake. All right, pay more attention to hydration levels is also what I'm getting. Some movement is important. I feel that, you know, you need to walk or do some sort of exercise. Consult a doctor and do it. Let's see your next card. Good night sleep. So you need to rest as well, all right? Because somehow you have been so stressed about this whole pregnancy thing though, or your work friend, you're so overburdened and so overworked that you're not sleeping properly. So you need to ensure that you sleep and you take proper rest for you to conceive soon. Okay, so this were your cards, guys. Now let's see. First, let's see. I'll lower the camera. So one thing is very clear, that your pregnancy is going to be awesome. Yes, there would be some sort of conflict, but the overall pregnancy is going to be amazing. And from your other cards, I can see the personality of your child is full of light. Okay, full of light. So the child is definitely, or the children are definitely intelligent. Now let me lower the camera and we will see first how many children you're going to have. All right, so let me see how many children or child. 1 to 2. So you are going to have 2 children or 1 child. Okay, that's what this particular chit is telling us. Amazing. Now let's see what would be your child's sun sign, moon sign. All right, let me pick 3 options. Okay, so let me see the option. Option number 1 is Pisces. Option number 2 is Taurus. And option number 3 is Scorpio. So this could be your future child or children's sun sign, moon sign. So I will keep this over here. We will see what dates are going to be relevant. So I've closed my eyes and I'm mixing the numbers. So let's see the dates which have showed up. 31, all right, 11, 11 and 22. So these are important dates, guys. 31, 11 and 22. So it could be 2022 as well. And this could be their date of birth. It could be their life path number. See, 11 and 22, master number. So definitely, as I said, this soul is a master soul, okay? Or this souls that are planning to come, since you got 1 to 2, all right? This souls or soul is a master soul for sure. It's an ascended soul. That's why it could be their master number also, 11 or 22. And yeah, so this could be of some relevance for your future child or children. Now let's see, let me lower the camera a little bit more. Okay, now let me pick up the alphabets which could be relevant. Okay, let me straighten them up. So you can actually see your name, your spouse name, or you could also see maybe if you already have children, their name. All right, so just straighten them up first. Oops. Okay, so for your future child's first name, middle name, last name, okay, initials. So then the alphabets are R, Y, U, D, C, F, B, T, A, O, R, H, O, E, X, H, P. You know, the word, somehow the word hope is standing out very strongly. All right, so yeah. So these are your alphabets, guys. Now let's see what charms you have got. Okay. You have got the Christmas tree, so maybe your child will be born in Christmas or conceived in Christmas, could be. All right, so this is what the Christmas, and you know, for me Christmas tree means happiness, celebration, decoration, gifts. So that could also be what your child is saying. Umbrella, you are going to be such a super protective mom or a dad. I also feel that you and your pregnancy, you are going to be safe, your children are going to be safe. So don't be worried that, you know, what if something wrong happens in your pregnancy, because this umbrella is a sign that everything is going to be fine. You got flamingo. Wow, guys, you could have twins. All right, twins is quite a possibility with this particular. I also feel, oops, I'm so sorry, I'm so clumsy. So this particular charm can also mean that you and your partner will be so there for each other. You know, you and your partner are going to enjoy every moment of parenthood, every moment of your pregnancy. All right, let's see, what is this charm trying to say? Are they fighting? Oh, I think so, they are fighting. So it could happen that you may conceive twins, and in your womb they would be busy, you know, trying to get more space. I also feel, you know, you did get the 5 of Wands, so it could happen that there could be some sort of, you know, honestly, I'm getting some relative will act a little bit nasty with you or irritating with you, is what I'm getting from this charm. So you also got the key. Okay, so I feel that this is your key to happiness. All right, so a lot of happiness is going to get unlocked for you. It's like opening new doors of parenting. Wow, guys, this looks so awesome. So this is what your charms are saying. I hope I covered everything which I had planned for you. All right, now let's see what your Wheel of Fortune is going to tell us. Let me remove it out for you. Okay, so now think about a question, all right, regarding your future children, pregnancy, and let me spin the wheel for you. Wow, you got soon. So whatever you asked for, the answer is soon. Isn't it awesome, guys? I hope you enjoyed this reading as much as I did. If you did love this reading, do write in the comment section what you resonated with, and in case if you have any new topic in which you would want me to do a pick a card reading, and majority of the people also want me to do a reading on that topic, I will definitely do it. All right, guys, do like my channel if you enjoyed this content, and do subscribe to it as well. Bye bye. Hello group 2. So let's begin with your reading. In case if you want to see a video which is on what ritual that needs to be done from conception to delivery, you can check the description column. I have mentioned a video. So let's begin first with the Mother Mary messages. All right, let's see Goddess message. Let's see what you need to surrender in order to conceive fast, or conceive rather. Let's see the Mermaid and Dolphins message for you. Let's see what you need to take care of in regards of your health in order to conceive soon and healthy. Okay, I'll take this card. Let's see Archangel Gabriel message for you. Now let's see first what kind of personality will your future child or children have. Okay, this has popped up, so let's take that. Then let's see how you're going to conceive your future child or children. Alright, and how your pregnancy is going to be. Alright, so we have taken all the cards. Let's start with the conception, how you're going to conceive. Oh wow, you are going to conceive. It may so happen that you may conceive because you were not careful. So it may so happen that it may be completely unexpected, or it could so happen that you were not planning for a baby and it may just happen. I also feel that it may happen while you may go on a trip or somewhere traveling. I'm also getting from this card that it looks like, an unplanned one, to be very honest. Okay, so that's what I am seeing, an unplanned pregnancy. Okay, or maybe a pregnancy while you're traveling or you're going somewhere. Okay, now let's see how your pregnancy is going to be. That's your first card, 9 of Pentacles. So your pregnancy is going to be awesome. Okay, it's going to be so luxurious. You are going to be pampered like anything. People around you would put you on some sort of pedestal and tell you not to move anywhere. Everybody will be taking care of you. I also feel that you will be working. Okay, in case if you are a career person, you will be working while you would be like, or you may start some sort of business, okay, in your pregnancy. But I'm clearly getting your pregnancy is going to be quite easy and it's going to be so much of fun. Okay, you are going to ensure that, interestingly, the first pile also got something, they got the Empress, you got the 9 of Pentacles, so they have a similar vibe to them. So again, enjoying the fruit of your labors. So interestingly, even they had got a similar sentence. I also feel that it may so happen that for a part of your pregnancy, you and your partner may not be together for reasons being work, or you may have to kind of, for a part of your pregnancy is what I'm feeling. Okay, and but you will be completely fine. Maybe because of work you may have to travel, or your husband may have to travel, and that's why you may not be together for some duration is what I'm getting. I'm also getting that some of you may be at a higher age in terms of your pregnancy, or but it's going to be completely fine. I'm also feeling that with this card, your pregnancy is going to be superb, luxurious, completely taken care of. Like, you will enjoy your pregnancy. Okay, now let's see your next card. You got the 7 of Swords. So this card is telling me that it may so happen that I feel that in your pregnancy, it may so happen that you have to kind of move away from other people. Like, you may want to be just on your own. You may not want to be around people. You would be like, let me be in peace, let me be myself, I don't want to be surrounded by people. I also feel that you may it may so happen that during your pregnancy you would be asked to take some injections or medication. Okay, nothing to worry about, nothing very to be scared of something, but it may so happen. I also feel that some of you would not be aware that you're pregnant. Okay, and it may just come as a surprise to you and others as well, and it may so happen that you would find it kind of embarrassing that, oh my god, like when you will be telling others that I did not know that I was pregnant, they would be like, how could you not know? That kind of situation is what I am feeling. And when I look at this card, I am feeling that you would just, you would be like, I'm feeling that the nausea would be a little bit more higher in your case. You will be like, I just don't want anything to do around food or people, okay, for some short duration is what I'm feeling, that you may feel that way. Okay, and yeah, there could be some sort of it could be that you would not want to tell others about it. Yeah, I also feel with this card that you may hide your pregnancy because you may be worried about evil eye. Okay, so that's why you'd be like, what, I'm not going to tell people that I'm pregnant unless they find out or unless it's the right time to say. So this card is saying that you're going to hide your pregnancy. All right, let's see your next card. You have got the 5 of Cups. So this card is telling me that you are going to have mood swings. Okay, there would be a lot of mood swings that are going to happen. You may feel that you may be worried, or you may be a little bit anxious as well during your pregnancy. And this card is asking you to, I feel the earlier 2 cards, when I see this card, the 7 of Swords and the 5 of Cups, I feel that you need to hide your pregnancy. It will be better if you don't flaunt your pregnancy, you keep it, because there are people who are jealous of you. So it would be better. Your pregnancy may not be easy, all right, and that may make you feel a little bit, like in the later stages, it may not be that easy. So you may feel a little bit sad or not that great. So stay hydrated. That's going to really help you to be in better. Hydration always helps, so staying hydrated is very important for you. I also feel that some of you who are not planning for a child may not be happy to know that you're pregnant, or you'll be not expecting the time of the pregnancy to be the appropriate one. But you need to understand it's a blessing. Okay, it's a blessing. It's a clear blessing. All right, it's written over here. Look for the hidden blessings. So I also, emotionally you may be a little bit low in terms of when you'll be pregnant. It may so happen. Okay, let's see the personality of your future child or children. You got the King of Pentacles. Wow. So definitely your child would be completely organized, extremely meticulous. Your child would be someone who would be interested in the material form of life, but also in giving to others. Extremely generous person, somebody who is grateful for the wealth that they have. And also your child is going to bring in a lot of money. okay, and your child is going to be lucky for the father is what I'm getting. All right, let's see the next card. Three of Wands. Wow. So your child is going to be extremely, this both cards are clearly telling me planning, organizing, long-term thinking, maturity, focus is going to be awesome in your future child. Your child is going to be a team player and leader at the same time. Your child is going to have leadership qualities wherein he or she would take everybody along with them. All right, your child is not going to be bossy. Also, it may so happen that your child would love to travel. There is no doubt about it. At the same time, your child will there would be some sort of settling outside or education outside the country that they are born in. All right, or they may travel for education is what I'm getting. But highly studious child, highly organized child or children. Okay, and the Three of Wands is telling me you could have three children. All right, let's see what Archangel Gabriel message is telling us. Classes, learning and teaching are part of your higher calling. So as I said, your child is going to be extremely intelligent, extremely meticulous, extremely studious. And I also feel that some of you are into teaching, learning, and your child will also be a very good teacher. All right. I also feel that parenting will teach you amazing things about yourself, and your child would be like, full of they would love to learn. They'll be asking a lot of questions. What is this? What is that? How did this happen? So a lot of questions. Your child will be so curious in a very intellectual way as well. Very intelligent child or children. Let's see with regards to your health, what you need to do. Stretch. So definitely you need to work out a little. Maybe you can try yoga or some sort of exercise, but body movement is important. Let's see your next card. Expect a miracle. Guys, I don't know why I'm feeling that this child is going to be a miracle child. All right, an unexpected one mostly. And see, that's why it is so important to shuffle in front of camera as well. Now, you guys had got this Five of Cups, okay, for how your pregnancy is going to be. And here you got an expect a miracle. So definitely this card is telling that, your entire pregnancy is going to be miraculous. You don't have to worry about anything. Archangel Raphael will be taking care of you. Health wise, I feel that you need to rest. All right, you need to rest as well. Work out a bit more and stretch, and also rest. Let's see what your mermaid. Divine magic. Oh my god, guys, you got divine magic and miracle. Awesome. So definitely there is lot of magical energy around your pregnancy. There is going to be a lot of miracles, guys. See over here it is expect miracles. All right, look at this line over here. It is written expect miracles, and over here expect a miracle. So your pregnancy is going to be miraculous. Do not be worried. Okay, now let's see what you need to surrender. Surrender negative thinking. See how amazing these cards are. So this Five of Cups, okay, this is negative thinking. So you need to let go of negative thinking. All right, so see guys, whenever we are thinking negative, we are affirming. Okay, we are seeing affirmations. So stop being negative. Stop thinking that what if I can't conceive, what if this happens, what if that happens. Stop being negative. Okay, the only thing that you need to surrender in order to conceive faster and have amazing children ahead is to surrender negative thinking. And see, you got miracles. Two cards are telling you expect miracles. All right, now let's see what your goddess card is telling us. reverence. So this card is telling me that you need to be more happy. You need to pay respect to your ancestors also. So you can just on Monday light a white candle or an oil lamp and just say that, dear God, Goddess, Archangels, please bless my ancestors, our ancestors, me and our future generations. So definitely you need to pay some respect to your ancestors, because they are the ones who are going to help you to conceive. I see a rebirth as well. Devotion. All right. So, you are quite a spiritual person as it is, or you believe in that there is a power above all of us. You clearly believe in that. And this child will be an answer to your prayers. Okay, it will be answer to the devotion that you have been relentlessly paying to the divine. Okay, now let's see how many children you're going to have. My God, you guys got 2 expect miracles, 2 cards of expect miracles. That is so awesome. So first, let's see how many children you're going to have. Let me shuffle. I've closed my eyes. All right, let's see. You got 2 to 3. With the 3 of Wands, I did tell you, right, that there is a possibility of a 3rd child. So you're going to have 2 to 3 children, guys. Wow, awesome, awesome. Now let's see what signs they will be having, like sun sign, moon sign. All right. Let's see. You got Gemini, Pisces, and Virgo. Guys, not surprising, this Virgo card you have got, and the King of Pentacles and the 3 of Wands, because Virgo are so organized, perfectionist. So I am not surprised over here. All right, so these are the sun sign, moon sign, Gemini, Pisces, Virgo. All right, now let's see what numbers are relevant. Okay, I'm closing my eyes and removing some numbers. Oh my God, so many numbers you got. That's quite a few. You got 14, you got 11, 26, you got 9, 7, and 18. So these are the relevant numbers that you have got. This could be their birthday. It could be their life path number when it comes to 9, 7, 11. It could be their life path number numerologically. So this number is of some relevance. It could be your birthday for that matter. Now let's see what alphabets you have got. Let me straighten them out. It could have your name, first name, middle name, last name, your spouse, first name, middle name, last name. Okay, so these are the alphabets. All right, E R J H X I S E B P I F R O E I E I. All right. Interesting. Okay, so now let's see your charms. What your charms are telling us. Interestingly, the word see is coming. Open your eyes and see miracles. Okay, let's see what charms are telling us. charms over here. So again, I think, guys, you somehow, you are blinded by what other people are saying or something, because you again and again, you got the word see, you got spectacles, you got the mask, eye mask. So you need to remove whatever illusions, delusions you have, and see again this charm. Look at this charm. This particular charm is trying to see. All right, so you need to stop being negative about something and be positive. Again, you guys also got the Christmas tree. Even group 1 got Christmas tree. So it could be that the child may get conceived during December, or the birth may happen around Christmas. But I feel, Christmas is all about celebration and gifts. So this child is going to be a huge gift in your life. You got the charm of eating. So pay attention to what you are eating. You got mustache. So maybe the baby has got a lot of hair on it. Okay. You got music. So listen to good music. And your baby or future children may also love music. You got camera. So the child is going to be quite creative is what I'm getting, and you're going to have so many amazing baby videos. All right, you got heart falling from the sky. So this baby is going to bring in so much of love in your life. And look, guys, you got heart twice, and interestingly, you got a blue heart and a pink heart. So a girl and a boy. Wow. You got the crown as well. So this baby is going to bring in so much of good luck in your life that your status is going to improve. Awesome, guys. That is so amazing. So guys, now let's see what your Wheel of Fortune is going to tell us. All right. Let me just remove your Wheel of Fortune. So think about a question regarding your future pregnancy, and let me spin the wheel for you. You got better. Okay, see, it's clearly better. So whatever you're asked for, you're going to get something better. Okay, something better is going to happen. So this was your reading group 2. I hope you enjoyed it. Do write in the comment section what you loved about this reading, what resonated with you. Please remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave what does not. And if you like the content, do like to hit the like button, do subscribe to my channel, and do share this video with all those whom you think will benefit. If you have any topic on which you would want me to do a pick a card reading, do write in the comment section. If majority of the people are saying for the same topic, then I'll definitely do a reading on it. Take care, guys. Bye-bye. Group 2, I forgot to remove a card from the God Goddess deck for you guys. So let me remove one card for you from the God Goddess deck. Alright, so you got the card of Brahma, the creator. So see how interesting it is. Instills creativity, overcoming infertility, happiness in this world, aids in the learning process. So this card is clearly telling that you are going to create amazing life. I also feel that you believe a lot in Swami Samartha or Sai Baba or Lord Dattatreya. There is some sort of Jupiter element in your chart, or maybe in your future child's chart. You're also a believer of Goddess Lakshmi, Lord Narayan, and Vishnu, Lord Vishnu as well. So definitely, you guys, this card is clearly telling that you're going to, create magic. Okay, and look at this sentence specially. Okay, guys, take care. Hello group 3. So all those of you have chosen this beautiful green ring. Let's see regarding your future children and your pregnancy. So let's start with Mother Mary message. Let's see the Goddess message. Let's see what you need to surrender. in order to conceive. All right, let's see mermaids and dolphins message. Let's see what you need to take care of in terms of your health in order to conceive. Let me keep this over here. All right, let me see Archangel Gabriel message. Oh, one card is over here itself. Okay, Archangel Gabriel message. Let's see a message from the God Goddess deck. Okay, now we'll see how your future child or children will be conceived. We will see how your pregnancy is going to be. Alright, you already got 2 cards. Okay. We'll see the personality of your future child. Okay, so let's first begin with how the conception is going to happen. All right, the Empress. Wow, this is a card of pregnancy. So you are going to conceive. The entire process of conception is going to be so beautiful. You are going to conceive naturally, and you're going to conceive easily is what I'm getting from this card. That your future pregnancy, for your future pregnancy, you're going to conceive pretty easily is what is very clear. I also feel that your child is going to be a gift from Goddess. Okay, your child is going to be a gift from Goddess Lakshmi, Goddess Fortuna is what I am also getting. So definitely the goddesses are very happy with you. That's what I'm getting. Now let's see how your pregnancy is going to be. That's your first card. Ace of Pentacles. Wow, your pregnancy is going to be a beautiful new beginning. It's going to be so amazing. Your pregnancy will bring in a lot of good fortune. All right, you will be able to balance your pregnancy, your career pretty easily. I also feel that some of you may move into a new house. There's a high probability of a girl child is also what I'm getting. But definitely your child is going to bring in a lot of abundance. I feel that either I feel that there could be a girl child or you already have a daughter. I see a daughter pretty clearly, but yes, there will be the child is going to be very lucky for you. There is no doubt. So that's one aspect of your pregnancy. Let's see the next card. The Star. Your pregnancy is going to be so amazing. it would be like a dream come true. You will feel that, oh my God, this is so amazing. You will feel so, there will be some sort of divine miracles, divine connect happening in your pregnancy. At the same time, there would be other people would be looking up to you. You will kind of get fame as well during your pregnancy for some reason. There would be people around you who will be like, oh my God, look at her, she is doing so amazing. And she's doing it so well, she has got it all sorted. You are definitely, your interest in spirituality is going to increase in your pregnancy. You're also going to pray a lot. Wow, that's awesome. Let's your next card. Four of Pentacles. That's interesting, guys. So definitely in your pregnancy, you would try and be a little bit controlling. All right, I am also feeling that you are it may so happen that you would be a little bit conscious about your finances. Though your finances are going to be completely fine, but you will be like, oh my God, now we are going to have a family, so I should have all my finances in order. I should, so a little bit, you may get a little bit concerned where finances are, and the topic of finances would be a little bit of a concern for you, even though your finances are going to be sorted. All right, the child is going to bring in a lot of good luck, abundance, but you will be like, oh my God, now my family is expanding, I have to make arrangements for the child's education and stuff like that. All right, but that would be a concern. But yes, you would be a little bit of controlling, okay, in your pregnancy. I also feel that there's a high probability that you will get a gift of jewelry during your pregnancy. That's also a probability. Now let's see the personality of your future child or children. The Hanged Man. So extremely creative. Your child is going to be so creative, thinking out of the box. Also, your child is going to be a high soul, all right, because as you can see, this guy is hanged upside down, but look at his expression, is completely fine. So yes, your child will look at everything from a fresh and a new perspective. Your future child will also be quite enlightened, and your child is going to be different than others in a way wherein your child your child will not have a herd mentality. All right, they will create their own path, is what this card is saying. You got Five of Pentacles. So yes, your child is going to be spiritual. Your child is going to help the needy, the poor, the people who require help. And at the same time, your child is also going to feel a little bit insecure. Okay, they may feel a little bit insecure and isolated. But having said that, this particular aspect of their personality will move them towards spirituality and inner journey. They're going to have a beautiful inner journey, which all this insecurity and this conflict, okay, will lead to enlightenment. All right, that's how they will grow from being insecure to having a completely, see, in this card there is a sense of insecurity, but in this person is so secure. There is literally a snake which is holding this guy upside down, but this particular guy is so secure. He is not worried that he may fall down. He has so much of faith and trust that I'm going to be fine. Okay, I'm going to be completely fine. So that's how your child's personality is going to be. from being insecure to being extremely secure and enlightened. All right, now let's see which god goddess is with you. You got Lord Shiva, amazing, and Lord Ganesha also, if you can see. So either you believe in Lord Ganesha and Shiva, or but they are definitely with you for sure. Also, it may so happen that you love dancing and your child is also going to love dancing. So look at this state, this blessings: fearlessness, joy of creativity. See, as I said, your child is going to be very creative. So there you go. Perfection in the arts of music and dance. Again, finding pleasure in all circumstances of life. See, again, this card is saying the same thing. I feel, your child will have some sort of Shiva element. Okay, there's some Shiva element that's going to be there in your child. So, these words are clearly reflected in this card as well. Fearlessness. This guy is fearless. He's not worried. What if I fall down? Joy of creativity. See how happy he is, that how creatively he is hanging upside down. And he's fearless. He's not afraid of the snake. Perfection in the arts of music and dance. Again, creativity. Finding pleasure in all circumstances of life. See, he's hung upside down, but he is happy. So isn't it awesome that how this card is resonating? Wow. Let's see. Guys, I don't want you to be worried about this Five of Pentacles, because this card is clearly saying that your child is going to help a lot of people. Okay, a lot of people who are not that privileged. Okay, let's see what Archangel Gabriel message is. Recognition. Oh my God. Interestingly, you got the Star card for your pregnancy, which talks about recognition, and you got, so this child is going to bring in a lot of recognition for you. This child is going to be famous, okay, and also your fame is going to increase because of this child. All right, there's some honor element that's going to come into your life because of this child. Now let's see what health messages. Improving health. Wow. So you need to focus on your health. You need to improve your health. You need to nurture yourself, is what this card is saying, and your health is improving. Somehow you're concerned about your health, that if I get pregnant, or will I get pregnant, how my health or how my child's health is going to be. So this is also a confirmation. Also, it's asking you to work on your health. Good night's sleep. Rest is important for you to conceive easily and happily. Okay, let's see the next card. Synchronicity. Wow, guys. So you have been praying, okay? You have been praying for this child, and this child is going to be an answer to your prayers. See over here, your prayers and questions are being answered by synchronistic events. Notice them in order to increase their flow. So definitely, okay, your prayers are going to get answered. I feel that some of you have prayed to Lord Shiva, okay, or Kal Bhairav is what I'm getting. I'm hearing Lord Shiva, Kal Bhairav, what else? Archangel Michael also I'm hearing. You have prayed to them, all right? Now let's see what you need to surrender to your soul's path. So please understand, it is your soul's path to become a parent, okay? And you need to just accept and surrender to it, all right? So accept it. Let's see what Goddess is telling to you. Oh my God, again this card came. Lovely. So this particular child is going to be a blessing from your ancestors. All right. Also, this card is saying that this child is going to give you a lot of respect and love. All right. And because of this child, other people are going to respect you more. And that recognition you got. So definitely, the way this child is going to grow, it is going to make you, people are going to ask you parenting tips. They're going to be like, how did you raise this child so well? And you'll be like, yeah, I always knew, I know, and all that stories you will say. But okay, this child is going to make you so proud and you're going to be so happy. Let's see your next card. Open your heart. So this child is going to bring in so much of love, all right? So much. This child is going to open your heart to different possibilities. See, you know, what happens is, as a human being, you know, we are wired in a particular way. Our experiences, our upbringing, all of it wires us in a particular way. And when we have a child who has a complete different perspective, this child, you know, when you look at things from a perspective A, this child makes you look at things from perspective B, C, D, Z. And that's how you learn different things. That's how you have new experiences. And to have new experiences, you have to open your heart. So that's what this card is telling us. Let me keep your card over here. So definitely this child is going to open your heart and make you feel so loved. The giving and receiving of love is going to be very awesome. I'm also hearing that some of you may be having a daughter, okay, an elder daughter especially is what I'm hearing. Okay, now let's see, or maybe you're an elder sister, okay. So let's see how many kids you're going to have, okay. Let me remove a card. All right, let's see how many children. 1. Okay, so if you already have a child, so there is going to be 1 more. Okay, so that's what this is saying. If you are not having a child right now, so you're going to have 1 child. Okay, so that's what this particular card is saying. Now let's see the relevant dates. Okay. Oh, there are some numbers which are already fallen. Let's see. 12, 23, 26 could be your birthday, your future child's birthday, their life path number, your life path number. So these numbers are relevant. Now let's see what sun sign, moon sign would they be having. All right. You got Taurus. You got Cancer. And Sagittarius. Lovely. So I'm not surprised, because Sagittarius and Cancer and creativity. Okay, now let's see what alphabets you have got. Okay, got A, 2 A's, I, H, again an A, P, E, Y, lot of E's, O, E, I. So these are the words, could be your first name, middle name, last name, or your child's first name, middle name, last name. And also if you see, you know, interestingly, there's 1 P less, but the word happy is also seen over here. All right, so lovely, lovely. Now let's see what your charms are telling us. Let me pick up some charms for you guys. Okay. Oops. There's 2 charms that flew over here. Hey, you got C over here. C and R. All right. So the word care is also formed. If you see C-A-R-E. Isn't it interesting? Now let's see what all you have got. You got the fairy. Wow. So you have been manifesting this. You take care of the environment, and your child will also be somebody who will be very environmental, you know, conscious. You got the angel and the fairy. So definitely you believe in angels and fairies, and that's why they are the ones who are going to bless you with this child. You got the coconut tree. So coconut tree represents growth, prosperity, you know, it also represents fertility. So wow, so not surprising over here. You got the number 4. So I feel that, you know, even though this is saying 1, I feel that, you know, if you're a family of 2, you're going to be 4. If you're a family of 3, you're going to be 4. Okay, since I would say since this has popped up, all right, I would say that if you're 2, it's going to be 4. All right. You got the fan over here. So your child is going to be a big fan of you. You know, your child is going to adore you, love you. You got the heart. All right. Sort of again a heart angel. So Archangel Samuel is with you for sure. So much of, you know, you got so many of angels. You got 2 angels and 1 fairy. You guys believe a lot in angels for sure. You got a dog. Wow, so cute. Isn't this charm so cute? Lot of love, you know, lot of love coming your way. You know, the way a dog loves so unconditionally, isn't it? So your child is going to love dogs, pets, animals, and yes, your child is going to love you unconditionally. Let's see what else you got. You got flowers. So your child is going to be quite an environmental friendly kind of a child for sure. Again, a camera, so creative, very creative child. You got the word again, see, recognition. Your child is definitely someone who is going to be very famous, or you will become very famous once this child is born. Let's see, what is this? What is this charm? Okay, let me see what this charm is. At times, you know, I wonder what is this charm, guys? Can you help me? Let me see if I'm seeing it wrong. I feel that, oh, is it a medal that this, oh, it's an alarm clock. Okay. All right, so this particular charm, this guy is sleeping and the alarm clock is ringing. So time to wake up. Okay, time to wake up and believe. Also, this child could be a little bit clumsy, or you are clumsy. Lovely. So these are your charms. Awesome, guys. Your child is so interesting. I don't know why I feel like removing one more card for your child's personality. So let me remove one more card for your child's personality. King of Wands. So definitely your child is adventurous, creative, leader. He or she is going to have extreme leadership qualities. Okay, they're going to lead people. You know, that's why, you know, I said generosity. You know, your child is going to help many people who need help. All right, so creativity is something that your child will be full of, creativity and leadership. Lovely. So this was your reading, guys. Now let's see what your Wheel of Fortune is going to tell us. So think about a question and let me spin the wheel for you. Wow, you got the answer as yes. So amazing, so amazing. So guys, this was your reading. I hope you enjoyed it. Do write in the comment section what resonated with you, and if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. If you have already subscribed, thank you so much. Do share this video with someone who is planning to have a baby Alright, so take care guys. Bye bye.